Okay, so welcome back to another video, guys, and well, in today's one it's just going to be a very short one, and if you're wondering about that title, yes, it is correct. You can submit your books, your KDP books, to win $10. So my plan is I'm planning to run a series where I put 4 of your KDP books against each other in like a competition, and it's going to be titled BookWars, and the winner of each episode will win $10. So this is how it's going to work. So to enter into BookWars, all you've got to do is firstly be subscribed to my channel, very simple step, and then the second step is to follow my Instagram, and it is just at Rory Miles. I'm sure I'm going to pop up a screen now of the Instagram. All you've got to do is follow that Instagram. I'll leave the link straight at the top in the description, where you can just go and click on that and it'll take you straight to my Instagram. And then the third and most important step is to send a link to your KDP book listed on Amazon as a link on my DMs. So that's just on the direct messaging system on Instagram. All you've got to do is send the link to your book on there. And basically what's going to happen is each episode there will be 4 KDP books competing against each other, and I'll pick my favourite book based on the title and subtitle, the cover and the interior, and that person will win a $10 Amazon gift card. So yeah, that is just the overall plan of this series that I'm going to be making soon. And well, I just wanted to make it a bit more involving with my subscribers, add a little bit of competition between you guys, and yeah, hopefully it's going to be a series that you guys will enjoy. So yeah, remember, follow my Instagram, be subscribed to this channel, and make sure you send a link to your KDP book on Amazon, listed on Amazon, in my DMs. Those are some very simple steps, and well, hopefully we'll soon have the first episode of BookWars, which I hope you guys will enjoy. Something different, I haven't seen it around. I just want to, just do something a bit more interesting, you see, and well, give you guys a chance to earn a bit of money with your KDP books. And well, yeah, so like I said, it will be judged on the title, the subtitle, the cover, and in the interior. And yeah, out of those 4 KDP books in each episode, I'll then pick my favourite. And maybe as the months goes on, maybe I might hold some different competitions where there'll be bigger prizes than that, like the winners of each episode can be entered into a bigger draw where they can earn even bigger prizes. So yeah, that's just a plan for a series on this channel, and well, make sure you do those steps that I told you guys. I'll leave the instructions as well down in the description below. And yeah, very short video, like I said. I hope to see you guys in the next one. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and goodbye.